What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back. Happy Friday. I know you guys saw that thumbnail, and guess who's back in the kitchen?
It's not Friday.
It ain't Thursday. The video going on Friday, Brandon.
Oh, okay.
See, y'all know Brandon back.
What about to say?
Oh, you said about to say. Okay, so I've been asking about this punch bowl cake for a long time, and I'm finally getting around to it because it is summertime, and this is a dessert that a lot of people have at barbecues. Never made this cake before, but has seen this cake made. My Aunt Marion. I haven't had this cake since 2009. My Aunt Marion, who is my uncle's wife, he passed in 2010, and she made this cake every Memorial Day. We used to go every Memorial Day down Warranty, Virginia, like a little mini spring family reunion with everybody. And since my uncle passed in 2010, we haven't been back down there. So I haven't had this cake since 2009, but I have always seen her make it. She make it every year. She never used a punch bowl. This old white, this white bowl. What's those Tupperware? You know, the plastic Tupperware bowls you can't see through.
The blue top on it.
Yeah, with the top, whatever. She always used that white Tupperware bowl. So I always seen her make the cake. Never actually made it. Only had it once a year. Only thing about hers, I'm doing different from hers, is that she used the coconuts and the pecans and all that stuff. And I used to always pick coconuts and nuts. I did not like coconuts. I do not like nuts. No one in the home like coconuts or nuts. So I'm gonna do my version of my Aunt Marion's. My Aunt Marion's punch bowl cake. And what I did, she never made it homemade. I took some regular yellow box cake mix. Because you guys, you know I can bake by scratch, but sometimes you just want to do things the easy way. So I have right here pudding, vanilla pudding, pineapples, canned strawberries, fruit cocktails, whipped cream, and of course some more extra cake. And my bowl, I was going to do it in a bowl because I just want to be nostalgic like my aunt. And I said, you know what? I see a lot of people do it in a regular bowl. They don't have a punch bowl, but because I do have one, I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. And this really reminds me so much of my aunt, my grandmother, and everybody. Like I said, it's been a while since we had it. Never made it, but I am familiar with it. Used to eat it. Wow. Okay.
Memories.
I know, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. Cake first. I don't do any particular order. Just like when I did my strawberry shortcake, you guys, everything's going to get soaked up. I'm just going to layer it until everything I have is just pretty much gone. Again, if you want to go ahead, do the extra work and make a homemade cake, no one is stopping you. You most definitely can do that. I just was not. I want to do every side. And what my aunt used to do, she used to take her cake and she used to crumble it up. Yeah, she crumbled it up. She never, she crumbled it up. I watched her make it, okay. So, I want to make sure I got cake on every side.
The cake be at the bottom of it?
Yeah, let's watch.
Oh, okay.
And guys, remember, this is how I do it. If you do yours different, you add different things, please do it your way. I'm going in with the pudding. I made too much pudding.
Oh, you did? I'm taking care of that.
Yeah, oh, I wasted pudding. Brian said, no, you didn't.
Seriously, save me someday.
No, it's gonna be enough. It's actually gonna be some more pudding left.
Yeah.
If I had some vanilla wafer cookies and stuff on deck, you can make a leftover pudding and make what's so called banana pudding. You know, I always do that pudding. Homemade. Okay. Drain your juices of your fruit cocktails and your pineapple. You ain't dipping that in there, no. Wait. He begging for cake, guys. He want to dip it. I'm doing my fruit cocktails. I'm using a spoon that had the holes in it just because I don't want no extra juices in this and stuff. So this to the side. Oh, I drained my pineapples, but still I drained them. They still got a little. And at this point, if you want coconut and nuts, you could go ahead and add your coconuts and your nuts.
All right.
All right. No coconuts and nuts for us. I'll go in there with some whipped cream. My whipped cream may be a little bit frozen. You know another reason why I had to quick hurry up and make this video? Because this is my second time buying the fruit cocktails. Because my son, the Ron, aka Fufu we call him, kept eating the fruit cocktails. Well, you taking too long to make it. I had this stuff about maybe 2 weeks now. And I was just taking all day to make it. And he asked me again this morning, Mom, you know how kids talk. What's up with those fruit cocktails?
Don't make that face.
No, he did though. He was like, he had his hand down his pants, coming to him like this. Mom, I'm like, what? I'm hungry. I said, what? Mom. That's what he said. I can say the N-word shoot. I said, what? He said, what's up with them fruit cocktails? I said, boy, bye. I'm doing a video today.
I do not approve that message.
We're not approving the N-word, but hey, that's what he said that day. That's what he said this morning to me, guys. And I said, me and Brandon.
It's fun recording. I forgot how much I missed this.
Right. I said, me and Brandon making a video today. I got way too much ingredients, you guys. Because I have a little.
That's what I'm saying. I could take some.
Brandon said, that's what I'm saying. I don't like the egg.
Am I talking too much?
No, they miss your voice, Brandon.
Okay.
They've been asking for y'all already.
I don't want to be talking too much.
They've been asking for
That look good, don't it?
That's banana?
Yes, banana pudding.
Actually, vanilla pudding.
Oh.
It look like my truffle, my
She gonna have all this love.
punch bowl cake will only be 2 layers, just because I could have gave him. I'm going in with some of this stuff, guys. Look, I could have gave him some this extra cake and stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
No, but y'all can make individuals like in y'all bowls.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
How greedy? Did we forget how greedy Brandon was?
And that's a sad case. I'm about to go work out after this too. It's crazy.
Did we forget how greedy Brandon was?
That's what dessert for later though. I eat that for later, Mom. What's for dinner anyway?
Whatever y'all find.
Wow.
I really want to build up the cake. So.
Go home, little girl.
Don't tell my baby go home. That's my granddaughter. Okay. I way got too much stuff, you guys.
And I see why Marion put it in the bowl because it's it's too small.
That's okay.
You gotta put the strawberry on top.
I got this.
Okay.
And some people use cherries. I'm not using cherries. This is my version. The way I know my family, the way I know my kids will eat it. The way they like it. Again, we don't like nuts.
Mm-mm. Why you laugh like that just now?
Okay. Cool. This remind me of a little, we got grocery stores here. Yeah, when you go to the store, they have these little cups of pudding and cake. I made it. I don't know. What the heck was I thinking? For real.
Dun dun dun.
I made entirely too much.
That's why I said you're gonna have a lot of pudding left. That's why I said
y'all gonna have fun.
Yeah, but you gonna put me some up? I'm about to leave after this video.
Yeah, make sure your juices are drained. Even though I drained this in the colander, in a drainer, it's still. Woo! I'm just making a big old mess.
Yum, that's what I'm talking about. I don't like pineapples on cake.
That's why I'm not putting too much. I know y'all just don't like certain things.
I don't like wet cake like that. Except if it's whipped cream or pudding. I just don't like the fruit. I don't like that.
I'm just going to spread it out. My kids are so picky, you guys. But again, ooh, this is a whole lot, people. But again, remember, if you like the nuts and all that stuff, help yourself to the nuts and everything. My kids don't like coconuts. They don't like pecans.
Mary used to do that?
Yeah, she used to put the coconuts and stuff in it. Y'all was little, so y'all may have ate it. You may not have. Wait a minute, y'all. Joshua's right here with a spoon digging with cake and all that stuff already.
Nah, honey.
Again, somebody may say, you did that wrong. My house, my kitchen, my rules. Hand me that other spoons. I don't want to get this on my strawberries.
Whipped cream and strawberries? You tripping. Let that go together.
Yeah, that work. Some people talk. I had some canned strawberry preserve. If I ain't got to buy it, I'm not buying it.
You ain't got to say all that, so.
So when I made my strawberry shortcake, I made my strawberry cheesecake. I'm sorry.
Slap your mom. Mom, bring your face here.
What?
Slap your mama.
Don't play. Okay. There it is, folks. I meant, push that over there.
Well, that's pretty, Mom.
We got so much ingredients left. This is a quick video. Again, if you like nuts, you know, the pecans and the whipped cream, add it to yours. I'm sweating. That's why I hate summertime, no AC. That's why yesterday, y'all got that videos with my hand because this is how I be looking. And I was like, I can't do this, it's so hot.
Okay, I'll put it back down then.
But guess what, guys? There it is.
Yeah.
My version of a punch bowl cake. Hope you guys love this video. Let's get this video up to 10. All the subscribers I got. Let's do 50,000 likes, okay? Come on, guys. If you watch, let's like it. Let's share it. Don't forget the cookbook below in the link. I can't even say nobody gonna mukbang this. I have to stop saying that because they didn't mukbang my food last night. No, yes it did. No, yes it did. Remember?
Take that face back there.
I'm sweating. I gotta take that face back. They did mukbang the chicken and pasta salad, but Fufu came up this morning when he was editing and said that it was messed up because the words in the mouth was off or something, a setting he didn't set. So that's why I didn't get that mukbang. We gotta get better at this, but I'm out of here, so like, share, subscribe. Please hit that bell to be notified because you don't want to miss stuff like this.
That's look bigger on camera.
We're not.
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, okay, we out.
I was posing it. Okay.
He was posed. We out.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah. Okay, so it's far. This is my pasta salad. Hope you guys like this video, share and subscribe. And my cookbook is below in the link. Until